Right, folks, it's a crisp morning in the snow. Got the camel, got the rifle, and we're ready to bag a big one. This is what separates the big shots from the rest. Let's see if the deer are ready to dance today.
Two big shots, camo clad, out in the snow, feeling rad. Rifles slung and spirits high, hunting deer near the winter sky. But the woods were still, the tracks were bare, not a single buck was hiding there. We're big shots, oh can't you see? Kings of the cold, wild and free. But no deer, no game to show, just two dreamers in the snow. They trudge through drifts, knee deep and slow, eyes peeled sharp for tracks below. The wind bit hard, their fingers froze, still no antlers, just their toes. Must be the weather, one did say. Deer don't come out on a day this gray. We're big shots, oh can't you see? Kings of the cold, wild and free. But no deer, no game to show, just two dreamers in the snow. Hunting rifles shining bright kept them company through the night. The scope that never saw its prize, still they laughed beneath the skies. Oh, as the sun dipped low, they set up camp, lit a fire warmed by the lamp, roasting marshmallows, sausages too. Maybe tomorrow we'll get our due. Two big shots with nothing to claim, but a story to tell and a hearty flame. We're big shots, oh can't you see? Kings of the cold, wild and free. No deer, no game to show, just two dreamers in the snow. Camouflage and dreams so bold, out in the snow, braving the cold, with laughter, fire, and a campfire glow. Big shots forever, even without the show.
They say a hunter's gotta be patient, track the prey, study the patterns, blend into the wilderness. But between us, I ain't seen a single deer all day. Starting to think I'm hunting the wrong season or species. Marshmallows don't run though.